Today's video is going to be a quick update on Plug. We've been riding the stock in and out of it for the best part of 18 months now. However, over the last sort of 6 months, I've really been starting to become quite bullish on everything that is involved in the whole hydrogen play in terms of going green. On this channel, we're all about green stocks. We cover them relentlessly from the point of view of them being extracted from the ground, the minerals that are involved in that with the lithium plays that we talk about on the channel, right through to Tesla, the bigger plays, and everything in between. And I feel that hydrogen has a big part to play. So let's get tore into it. What is a crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy or Sell. Of course, you're all well. If I'm speaking too fast, don't forget you can check out the little settings button and slow me down. That will help for all the people that maybe aren't used to the quick patter that the Irish language has. Yesterday, Plug had a great day, up nearly 10%. And we'll get into the charts in a moment, but what is sending this shooting up? Something that I've shared in my Discord and we've been talking about a lot, and we actually have a Plug sector in my Discord. So if you're interested in getting in on the likes of Plug Power, there's plenty of stuff being talked about here. Or John, one of the guys in the share group, is a big believer also in Plug Power. He's a holder. We believe that green hydrogen has a big part to play in the future. One of the flaws, if you want to say it, about electric vehicles in general is the fact that you rely on battery and charging, where Plug fill that gap. Now we're seeing all across the world many, and in my last video, I'll share the link to that video, you can go in and check it out, but in my last video we talked about European plays that are coming in, and any sort of exposure to hydrogen is good at this stage. Plug will be a big player, but it is such a small player in such a big space. Hydrogen needs more exposure, and we've seen all with Biden's plans and all the infrastructure plans that are out there. Hydrogen is going to play a part, no doubt about it, and Plug looks set to capitalize hugely on that. And one of the deals that came out yesterday is the liquid green hydrogen delivery for Walmart. Walmart are saying that all their forklifts, all their machines, operating systems will be used purely on hydrogen, which is great not only for the environment, obviously, which is what we're keen on, but it's also great for the exposure that Plug will get. And this deal, this is a good big deal, which means that a lot of other companies will follow suit. You see the handling lift trucks across the Walmart's US distribution and fulfillment centers. That's a huge big deal. Walmart, one of the biggest suppliers of domestic goods in America. So huge deal, really excited about that. Plug Power also today has released this new trendy logo, which is what you'll see in my video today. So very exciting, a new logo, a rebrand is really, really great. And this website really goes into the detail of what they're all about. And this is not the purpose of this video. What my purpose of this video is to say Plug Power, in terms of a swing trade, has got there. Now let me just take away a lot of the stuff. The trading strategy, people will know what we're talking about. The people that are in the trading course are looking for one thing and one thing only. Plug Power has become a buy, which on the day chart, which is great. On the 4-hour chart, it had already become a buy. So if you had a bought on my trading strategy, then you would be up in and around 5% on that trade, buying that last on the 19th. That is what I want to bring your attention. It's looking like the momentum is in Plug. Now that was one big rise yesterday, nearly 10%. You have to take that into consideration with a pinch of salt. I'll be watching this one closely. I am Plug holder. I did say yesterday that on the 10% rise, I trimmed a little bit of my profits off purely because the rest of our indicators aren't quite there yet. And that was a great rise. I was conscious with this market, maybe I'll pull back. So I am going to buy said dip if there is a dip. I'm content for this to ride on. We will watch this closely. If it can just get a wee bit more solid, say today being a green day, as you can see, the markets have just opened just over 1% down. Not ideal, which is what I anticipated. Reason was sold some. That could turn around very easily and we'll see strength. But either way, today it can deal with a reasonable enough red day and still continue on its momentum. So I'm keeping a close eye on it. Put it under your watch list. If you're interested in a swing trade, this could be a great one right now with the interest that's going on around. We know that green plays will have a good future for the next 10 years really, with all the gapings and recession stuff that's going on right now. I think green energy stocks and recession plays are key. And I will share the link to this video. This is only out today. This is hot off the press. I really recommend watching this because this will give you a great idea of where you should be putting your money for the next 18 to 24 months, because it's going to be brutal. And I really can't emphasize that enough. Protect your hard-earned gains. If you're interested in joining the Discord, if you're interested in learning how to trade, the links are all down below. I will catch you in the next trade. Peace.